Introducing the 2020 Audi TT Tfsi S-Line. Black Edition, a stunning coupe with 25,000 miles of pure exhilaration. This beauty in blue boasts a powerful 2-litre engine, semi-auto transmission, and a host of luxurious features including air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. With safety features like ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the privacy glass, spoiler, and LED lights add a touch of style to this sleek ride. Rest assured, this Audi TT has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit pixel.com for more information. Drive into luxury today.